Yeah. From dusk till dawn, the system grind on. Concrete heartbeat never stop. Street knowledge, survive it gold. The streets never sleep, no rest for the weak. Every corner got a story that the silence won't speak. From the hustle to the struggle, hear the cry in the beat. Yeah, the streets never sleep, never sleep. The streets never sleep, fire under our feet. Every youth try to rise, but the oppression run deep. Still we chant and we fight, still we stand, still we seek. Cause the streets never sleep, never sleep. Babylon watching every move we make. Politician talk but it's all too fake. Hungry belly cry while the rich man feast. Justice delayed as the pressure increase. Sirens sing like a midnight choir. Burning down hope but we build from fire. No chains on mine, I refuse that lie. Stand firm, stand tall, never comply. Late night grind, yeah the block still hot. Young kings rise from the life they got. No silver spoon, just a dream and pain. Trying to turn struggle into diamond game. I'ma pray hard but the rent still due. But I caught up in the system, I'm true. Still we push through the cracks in the streets. Heart full of rhythm, can't accept defeat. The streets never sleep, no rest for the weak. Every corner got a story that the silence won't speak. From the hustle to the struggle, hear the cry in the beat. Yeah, the streets never sleep, never sleep. Eyes wide open in the city of lies. Truth get buried but the spirit still rise. Footsteps echo through the night so deep. Living in a world where the streets don't sleep. System designed to keep we low, but we plant rebellion seeds and grow. From trench down roots to global sound. Truth we speak, make it shake the ground. No fear in heart, only righteous flame. Different path, but the fight the same. Set Bible code in every breath we take. One life to live, no time to break. So we move through the shadows and the light, through the struggle and the fight. The streets alive, and we survive it. The streets never sleep.